বোঝাচ্ছি তখন তোমরা হচ্ছে রিসিভার, তোমরা যারা স্টুডেন্ট, যারা সামনে বসে থাকছো, আর আমরা যারা ইনস্ট্রাকশনটা দিচ্ছি আমরা হচ্ছে সেন্টার, এবং তার মাঝখানে যে ওয়েতে তোমাদের কাছে পৌঁছাচ্ছে সেটাকে বলা হয় কমিউনিকেশন। কমিউনিকেশন স্কিলটা ভীষণ এসেন্সিয়াল, ভীষণ গুরুত্বপূর্ণ।
So let's start. So welcome to Youth Leadership and Wellbeing Workshop.
মাইন্ডে অন্য কোথাও আছে, মনে দিতে পারছি না পড়ায়, অনেক থটস আসছে মাইন্ডে, র্যান্ডম থটস আসছে, পড়তে বসে খেলার কথা মনে হচ্ছে, আইপিএল এ কি স্কোর হলো মনে হচ্ছে, কন্টিনিউয়াসলি চলতে থাকছে মাইন্ডের মধ্যে। আমার এক্সাম আছে, বাট মেবি আমার ফ্রেন্ডের নেই, ও আইপিএল এনজয় করছে এখন, কিন্তু আমার মাইন্ডে ঘুরে চলে গেছে। পড়াটা হবে কি? কতজনের সঙ্গে আমাদের এরকম হয়? Most of us. তো যখন বাজার দেখছো, তার মানে you are not sleeping well. It's not a good quality of sleep. How many of you know, scroll before going to? Most of you. Stretch your hands. How many of you scroll your phone before going to bed? Bhramari pranayam, the humming bee, we call it. Yeah. So have you heard how the humming bee sounds? It's a gunjan. So what?
With the thumb,
You press the earbuds.
press the earworm like this.
And now we will do the humming. It will be just.
Sound.
So press a little bit with your finger, corner of your eye. Just a gentle press. Okay. Now start. 1, 2, 3.
Feel the sensation. Can you feel the sensation? Yes, no, if you have one, just a check and one over here and this one over here. Yes, 2 with eyes, one below this, one over here and one over here. Okay? Like this.
Breathe out. Yes. Breathe in and breathe out.
So what we do, I can see that when you are saying in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16. Put fist in front of your shoulder. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Okay, now give him a second. Give him a second. He's the upcoming leader. Okay. So give him some time. Okay. Okay, wait a minute and watch him. How fast he's learning. Just see. Breathe in. Out. In. 2. In. 3. In. 4. Is it okay? Great. Good job.
Breathe in. Expand the hands. Yes. Breathe out. Close. 1. Breathe in. 2. Breathe in. 3. called pen dancing game. Now, what is a pen dancing game? Pen over here. Anybody has a pen? Thank you. This is a pen. Okay. This is you. Okay. This is you. So the way I will move the pen, you have to move your body. Are you okay? Do you got the instruction? Yes? If I will move the pen like this, you have to move the body like this. If I will move the pen like this, you have to move the body like this. If I have to move the pen like this, you have to go backward. I will do like this, forward. Got it? Instructions clear? Yes? No? Yes. Okay, let's start. If I will move the pen like this, you have to move the body like this. If I will move the pen like this, you have to move the body like this. If you have to move the pen like this, you have to go backward. And you do like this, forward. Got it? Instructions clear? Yes? No? Okay, let's start. Will you all stand up a little better? More movement in the body? Stand up, everybody. और ये सब लोग बैठे हुए हैं। दिख रहा है सबको? ऐसे? दिख रहा है ना? Okay. चलो, let's start. This. Very good. Yes. Move. Move your body like this. Like this. Jump. Very good. Like this. Like this, like this, little movement, like this, rotate, rotate, and rotate, and rotate, still, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this,